Wix one-page tutorial. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the simple and straightforward process of creating a one-page website using Wix Website Builder. So by following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to effortlessly design your own single-page website on Wix. So to begin with, open your web browser and enter wix.com in the search bar and sign up for Wix if you don't have an account yet. So once you have chosen your preferred sign-up method, click on Create New Site button located at the top of the page. Next, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions. The first question will ask about the type of website you want to create. In this case, you'll be creating a landing page for this tutorial. So just look for the landing page category and then click on it. Okay, so click on the next button to proceed. Moving on, you'll be asked to provide a name for your business. Feel free to enter any desired name. For example, let's just use my site. Click on next button to continue. The next question will ask about the elements you want to add to your website, such as chat, online store, or other components. In this case, you can simply click on Skip option located in the bottom right corner. This allows you to proceed without selecting any specific elements at the moment. So here you'll see an option that says Go to Dashboard. So on the dashboard, you'll have the option to explore analytics and other features. However, I recommend selecting Begin with a Template option. This will make it easier for us to choose a suitable template for our landing page. Okay, so by selecting this option, you'll be presented with a variety of templates specifically designed for one-page websites. These templates are tailored to meet your needs, ensuring a seamless and efficient website building experience. Take your time to browse through the available templates and choose the one that best suits your preference and requirement. So for now, let's just click on one of the landing page template that catches your interest. So clicking on the View button will give you a preview of how the template looks. This preview will give you an idea of layout, design, and overall appearance of the template. Additionally, one best feature here is the ability to switch between different devices while previewing your website. So you will notice the icons representing various devices such as desktop and mobile phone, allowing you to visualize how your website will appear on different screen sizes. This capability highlights the responsiveness of websites created with Wix. Now let's click on Edit the Site button here. So here, please be patient as it may take few seconds for the editor page to load. Once it loads, we will have access to various tools and options to start building our single page website. So here on the editor, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. This sidebar contains different tools and functionalities that allow us to customize and enhance our website. So let's take a quick tour of these tools. So here we have Elements, which enables us to add various elements to our website, such as text boxes, images, videos, buttons, and more. Next, we have Sections, where we can add different sections to our website layout. The sections can help organize content and provide visual appeal. Here we have Pages and Menu, and this option allows us to manage multiple pages within our website and customize the navigation menu. Next is Site Design. Here we can modify the overall design and appearance of our website, including colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Here we have Add Apps. This feature lets us integrate additional functionality into our website by adding apps from the Wix App Market, and so on. So to start our designing process, firstly, let's navigate to the Site Design section. Within this section, locate the Theme button and click on Customize. This will allow us to modify the color palette and font selection for our website. By customizing the theme, you can choose a color scheme and a font path that aligns with our desired aesthetics and branding. It's impressive that Wix provides us with this level of flexibility to personalize our website's visual elements. Furthermore, if we explore the page and menu option, we will notice that we currently have only one page. This is expected because we are creating a single page website where all the content will be displayed on a single page. Even though we are creating a single page website, we still have the option to add additional pages if needed. This flexibility allows us to expand our website structure and provide more content functionality. Okay, so for the current page, it consists of various sections. For instance, we have a header section, which typically appears at the top of the page, may contain a website logo, navigation menu, or other important elements. Additionally, there is an about section that provides information about the website or business. Finally, we can see the footer section located at the bottom of the page, which often contains contact information, copyright details, and additional links. These sections help organize and structure the content of our single-page website, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing layout. So to add a new section to our website, we can simply click on Add Section button. This action will provide us with a wide range of templates to choose from. So let's say we want to add a contact section to our website. By selecting the appropriate template, the section will be instantly added to our page. We can then easily customize its position by clicking on it and using options such as move up or move down to rearrange its placement within the page. Moreover, we have the flexibility to modify the section's background, allowing us to personalize its appearance. By clicking on the section, we can access the settings and make changes to the background, such as choosing a different color, adding an image, or applying other visual effects. This option empowers us to create a unique and visually appealing website design. So let's proceed with changing the image to something that suits our need. This is just one example of how we can edit various parts of the website. Each section contains different elements that can be customized to our liking. For instance, we can see the text element here. To manage and modify these elements, we can simply click on them. By clicking on the Edit Text option, we gain access to a range of properties and settings. These include options to change the text itself and adjust the font size, apply formatting such as bold or italic, and even change the color. Adding new element is just a straightforward. So by clicking on the plus button, we can explore a variety of elements to choose from. These include text boxes, images, buttons, creative shapes, and much more. The selection is vast, allowing us to add elements that align with our specific needs and enhance the visual appeal of our website. Now let's add a button to our website as an example. Once added, we can easily adjust its position by moving it within the section. By clicking on the button, we can access the option to change its text and icon. So to modify the text on the button, we can simply edit it and replace it with something like get started or any other desired text. This allows us to customize the button's message according to our preferences. Here we can also determine where the button should lead when clicked. By clicking on the link icon here, a menu will appear. So from there, we can choose the destination for the button's link. So let's just click on the top page as the link destination. This means that when the button is clicked, it will scroll to the top of the current page and providing a smooth navigation experience for our visitors. So when it comes to publishing our website on the internet, the process is user-friendly. Even without a paid version, we can save our progress by clicking on the Save button and continue working with it. Once we are ready to make our website accessible to others, we can click on the Publish button located in the top right corner. So after publishing, we can click on View Site to see our website live on the internet. This provides us with a unique URL that we can share with anyone we want to give access to our website. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it provided a helpful information.